this is some quality content. Danger, danger, danger. Butt welds. This welds, those welds.
Today we're doing something we never done before.
We're going to fix this.
Well, this is crap.
And learn how to weld in the process.
Okay, I think we can do better.
Do you see this?
Yeah.
I think if we can do better than this, this welding wire here,
Yes.
and these blobs here.
Yes, and a hole there.
Yeah, if we can do better than that,
Yeah.
I think we're gonna be fine.
Yes, definitely.
So we have some leftover steel.
This is steel.
I hope it is. This is a little bit light.
This is hollow.
Oh, it is?
I mean, there's a hole.
Oh, that. We presume this is steel. We'll try to cut it to a certain length and see.
Okay.
And we're going to see if we can join this and this in their internal life in concrete.
Okay.
But first, we need to set up our welder, which we
Yes.
didn't unbox for the last
It's the
year.
new machine we got. This is not a little thing.
I know. We need to set this up.
This is what?
This is a Flux-Core wire we have. Okay.
Oh,
Nozzles. Oh, we might have sticks.
oh.
So if we really fuck everything up, we can fall back to this. This is a welding mask.
Oh. Oh, brush. Cool.
We don't need that brush. Something fell out. Is this the glass? Yes, we
Glass?
don't need that.
New glass. What?
Or
For the mask.
for the mask, yes.
But this is a basic mask.
Yeah, this is a standard. This is our.
Cable.
Oh, this is our other electrode. Oh, I mean, it has a handle,
Yeah.
so we can call it portable.
Well, yeah.
One day we're going to learn how to use this part.
What
too.
is this?
Inlet for the gas.
Oh, really? You can do that.
Yeah.
This is the machine for all types of welding.
This is a machine that does everything poorly.
Okay, will you explain how it works?
For starters,
Yeah. This is red.
no, wait. For start, oh, yeah. This goes here.
Are you sure?
Yes, because we're going to use Flux-Core technique.
And it says here, flux.
Yes, and the Flux-Core is electrode negative. No, yeah, electrode negative. Will this be long enough so we can put it there?
Where?
Maybe. Okay. So, oh, this is for the stick welding. Oh, okay. Okay, we don't need that now.
You need to read the instructions.
Yes,
And this is
but I'm not sure we are going to do that.
why?
This is your
Wire pusher.
thingamajig.
Huh?
Thingamajig. Okay, so first order of business is to plug this in and see if it turns on.
Okay.
Let's see what happens.
Okay.
Seriously?
There's a ventilator.
Yes, of course. It's very loud.
Ew, there's lights. What?
So let's see, we're going to use...
What is this?
I have no idea.
Volts, amperes, okay.
Yes, we're going to use...
MIG?
It's not a MIG, but...
What? Do you know what you're doing?
No,
Great.
but we're here to learn. Oh!
Oh.
Okay, shut up for a moment. Oh, this is a spring. This is our
Where?
solid wire. We're not going to use that. Let me find our stack of wires. We're going to start with the thickest one. Because if this works out, then we have a job.
I think so.
So this is self-shielding one, and this is Flux-Core 0.9. And what tips do we have? 0.8, 0.9, okay. And I bought something else.
What?
In our special tool. Where is it? I couldn't resist when I saw it. It was like, yeah, I need that.
What do you have?
Special pliers just for your welding machine.
Really?
Yes.
How does it work? Whoa.
Tough.
Read the manual.
Okay. Read the manual. Before welding. So how do you get to the tip?
I didn't even try.
It's not like this, I hope. It's like this. Wow. Okay. Watch the camera, not the manual. You don't need the manual. You're just gonna wing it. It's just welding. I mean, how hard can it be? So we had a 1 millimeter tip inside.
Okay.
Okay.
Not 0.9.
0.6. 1. 0.9.
Are these universal welding pliers?
Yeah. They're even a little bit greasy still. It is not good for welding.
Uh-huh. It's just electricity.
Yeah, we know how to deal with that.
Yeah, some of us.
Okay. This is the wire. Whoa.
Yay.
Okay.
What is this material?
This is welding wire.
Yeah.
And you will not see this on the video, but it is hollow.
Really? It
It is
doesn't
the same
look
thing as
hollow.
this. But instead of having the flux material that melts
outside.
outside, it has it in the inside.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay. The same material.
I presume.
Like
or
what? But
something
what is
similar.
it? Like iron?
The wire?
Yes.
I think it is.
That was my question.
Oh, okay. Or some.
Sorry, I have a stupid question, but
Okay, so now we need to open this and take the. Oh, this doesn't have the smooth roller. Interesting. So, 15 years ago, I welded with a mask I could not see through.
yeah,
With a machine you could not adjust.
it sticks.
With sticks that were older than me, probably.
And who showed you how to weld?
Nobody.
Oh,
I needed to weld a pole.
post.
Pole. It's an electrical pole.
Okay.
It holds the. And it still holds today, I think. Well, we weren't there for some time, so.
What is this? A scale here.
Yeah, I hate scales without. Oh. This can move freely. So I welded blindly with a machine that was older than me, probably 20 years older than me at the time, without being able to see what I was doing. And it was hot.
Is it outside?
We were outside, yes. Okay, that's here, and now if I push the magic red button,
Yeah.
this should turn.
But it should be on.
Yes. And this should feed.
Oh, wow.
Yep. Okay.
Do it again. Oh. Faster. Whoa. Hello.
This is a little bit too tight.
Too tight?
Yeah. I think. Somewhat better. Okay. Now when we have that fed, let's turn it off. Put it in its place and or should we just put it on the table next to us? Yeah, that will work.
Okay.
Where is our fire extinguisher? Okay, never mind.
Yeah.
So we just take a piece of scrap.
Okay, and
This will be our test piece.
yeah, that was so close your fingers.
I still have all my fingers. Oh, we need my helmet.
Of course. Can I film you when you put it on?
Warning! Please remove film before using.
Ooh, that looks
Warning.
professional.
Please remove film before using. Okay.
Cool.
This also came with an instruction manual.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. So this is interchangeable
Yeah, okay.
when you ruin it.
Okay, this is what plastic cover.
It's just protective plastic,
Okay.
some kind of protective plastic.
Okay.
This goes here.
So this mask is
This is an automatic mask.
yeah. So it's sensitive to light or something.
It has a photo something. How do you remove this?
Oh.
I did not see my career as a bed welder starting with a flathead screwdriver. Okay.
Ooh.
Okay, warnings removed. No, this has some kind of,
Oh, settings.
yeah.
Nice.
How dark do you want it?
Oh, nice.
Oh, okay.
What does it depend on? Like, is it
Okay, I want it fast, I want it high sensitivity, and I want it very dark for the
okay?
starts.
Okay. Nice, nice,
And
nice.
you
And
can-
this in the middle.
And this is just your ranges.
Oh. Oh. Do you see?
Okay. Oh,
What?
it is sensing the light.
Oh, do you mean the?
Yeah.
Does it work?
Oh, it worked. Okay. It's comfortable. You know what we now need?
No.
A safe welding area. Something non-flammable, like a metal desk, metal table. But instead we're going to use some cardboard. Yeah, this is gonna be fun. I'm sure this is a bad connection. Okay. Okay.
Okay. What am I supposed to do now? No, don't do it.
No, everything is off.
Okay, okay.
Are you scared? You can come closer.
Alright.
I'm just setting myself
I'm
up.
actually scared of this thing.
Why? It will be sparky, but you don't have to be scared.
Okay. You know I'm easily scared.
It's gonna be fine. I need some welding gloves.
I still don't trust the electricity.
Don't worry, I'm very good with the electricity.
Okay.
Is this good for welding? I suppose.
You know.
This is not a welding tutorial. We are not experts. Okay. Did you see a table in here?
What?
Did you see a recommendations
No.
table in here? So MIG. Okay. Then select the weld by pressing the upper welding key selector. What is the upper welding key selector?
You can only have few choices here, or you can turn this button.
You can turn it. So I hate shit like this. Even give me raw inputs or give me a display. Oh, here it is. Okay. And then select which wire is used. Wire 1. Oh, this is aluminum.
Oh.
Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. Okay. And I have no idea what this is.
1, but this is 0.6 to 0.9.
Okay, you're right. You're right. I forgot which we are using. What is this? Voltage reducer selector key. Okay, so I can set the voltages, or I can set the amps, or what? I can let it do automatically. Okay. Oh, it doesn't go below 50 amps. Okay. So then it doesn't go below 65. Okay, 50 amps it is.
So it has a range for all of it.
Okay, 50 amps, 16.5 volts, electrode negative. Fuck it. We don't need the
Okay, let's try it. So I should be looking through my phone.
Just look for your phone and do not look at the beautiful blue light. Okay?
Oh, like this?
Yes, like that. Okay.
You're ready?
Nope.
No? Tell me when you're ready.
I'm ready.
I will close my eyes.
My mask is not working very well.
What?
It is too bright.
And?
Still too bright.
It's very smoky in here. We should open the window.
I can open the windows. Okay, so that was my second time in life welding.
And?
Let's see what I've done.
And?
Well, this part is quite good.
Yeah.
Oh, look at those Instagram welds.
Instagram welds.
Yeah, you don't know about that.
Oh.
People love to post their welds on Instagram.
Ooh. Are you gonna?
Well, now it works.
Okay then.
Let's try some more. The mask works!
Woohoo!
This side is not, this side doesn't even clean it. So forgive me.
And what do you think? Oh, that was nice.
Well, you tell me.
Yeah, this is very nice.
Imagine what I could do if I had a MIG welder.
I don't know.
This is so acceptable.
Yes, this is Instagram photo.
No, it's not. This is better than farmer welding. Yeah, this is fine.
This is fine, okay.
Now we need to let this cool
Yeah.
somehow.
So you need to press this nozzle onto the piece and also push the wire out.
The wire
same
comes
time?
automatically out.
Oh, really?
Yes.
You don't have to
See?
press it.
See? When you press the trigger,
Yeah.
it triggers the inverter
Yeah.
and automatically feeds the wire.
Okay.
So you just need to look what you're doing
Yeah.
and make a pass.
Yeah, but you need to hold this button,
Yes,
right?
you hold it all the
I
time.
was wondering this.
So if we had some gas, I'm going to make a prediction now. I think I could weld.
Okay, with the gas.
Yeah.
Better than with this.
It got a little bit too hot at the end here. Oh, this is hot.
No shit.
But this is fine for what we need to do. We can make this work.
Okay. Now this.
Remember this? So look at the wire here. Do you see that wire? on the camera?
How did that happen? I'm
So
confused.
let's see if we can do better. We're going to cut this off and oh, shut up.
Okay. Are we gonna weld it on the new places?
Here and here, here and here. It will be like this.
Okay. These four.
Yeah, we need to cut them to length. I'm just thinking what to do.
You're sticking what to do.
Yeah, I'm thinking.
Get it?
I'm sticky.
Sticks.
Uh-oh.
You're sticking.
That's worse than me.
Yeah. You don't get my puns.
I'm not as fast as you. I also really like this death machine.
We're not sponsored by this green and red brand.
Nope.
Nice.
Where is the middle? Do you know how to find the middle of any stick?
No. Are you sure? What if some stick has a bump here?
Have you seen that?
No.
I mean now.
Now, yeah, I'm impressed.
So
Yeah,
the
yeah,
middle
yeah.
is here.
Yeah, somewhere there.
That's close enough.
It's a good machine, huh?
I really like it. It goes through metal so quickly.
Nice.
And I think I need to buy a better one.
Why?
This one is a little bit wonky.
This really looks like a stick. Nice. We need some kind of ventilation in here.
Yeah. You should weld in a well ventilated
Oh,
area,
yeah,
kids.
yeah. I'm going to stand near the window. Thanks.
Hopefully, we don't need this anymore.
Welding again.
Welding again.
Now the real job.
Okay. Now let's see my vision come to life.
Okay, yeah.
Remember,
Yeah?
I welded once.
Yes.
I'm making excuses before we begin.
Okay. Mask on?
Yeah.
Okay. Whoa. It already stands.
Yep. Now we need to finish it. Oh,
Oh.
I need my gloves. I forgot about my gloves.
Yeah.
And my other glove. You need to protect your junk.
Yeah, always wear protection.
Yeah. Ready?
I am.
There's a gap here that I need to fill.
Okay. Oh. Too long.
It is not elegant.
No.
No, I tried to weld before cleaning it.
It smells like pancakes a little bit.
Pancakes?
Yep.
You can use pancakes today.
Yeah.
Okay, we eat the pancakes.
Did you feel it?
Look at that vertical weld.
Let me see.
Wait.
Oh. Ooh, not bad.
That's a vertical fucking weld.
Nice.
Okay, now let's finish it down there. And great. Now this side. I forgot you can flip your feet. Oh, come on, this is not that bad.
No, it's not.
Fuck.
Whoa.
Well, I really like these pants. Now they're my welding pants, definitely.
Oh.
Oh, come on, look at this thing.
It was worth it.
Oh, this is not that good.
Oh. You have 3 more. First one doesn't count.
I mean, look at that gap, how it's filled nicely here.
Now it's nice.
Ignore this, look at that top part.
Yes, yes.
Okay, on to the next one. How can I get a good connection? I think the current is a little bit too high, but I cannot. Actually,
What?
I need to use a smaller wire. Yeah,
Why?
smaller wire gives you less current.
Uh-huh.
But I chose the thickest wire because our next job is with really thick stuff.
Uh-huh.
So yeah. Look at this.
Wait.
Look at my second day of welding in my life. Look at that.
Wow. You can be a pro in a couple of days. I will start to advertise you.
Deal. that was the wrong direction.
Uh-huh.
I realized that halfway through.
It's better to go.
No, because this has a shielding slag.
Yeah?
You need to drag it, not push into it.
Yeah, drag it. Not bad.
I'm pleased with myself. That was nice.
How do you see it through? Do you see this huge light as I do, or?
No, I actually put this to the highest darkening settings. So I look at the puddle and I can see that I'm melting too much of steel.
Really?
But since we are going to be working with pieces this thick soon enough, that's why I put the thickest wire.
Okay, okay.
Oh, that's a big gap. Let's see what I've done here. How does that come through
Nice.
video?
Pretty nice.
I mean, look, I'm pleased with that.
Yeah. What? That's right.
I can see if I can break it. I'm looking if I can break it. Now I need to fill this whole hole here.
Uh-huh.
I am in love with fucking welding. Let's see how good am I at this hole filling. This wire is not mine. What do you think?
Let me have a good look.
I mean, wait, let me turn it better. I never used this technique in my life.
Wow.
This was a hole here. It's not thick quality, and it's not everything is clean quality.
Yeah, I know.
But I think it's better than I'm a welder on a farm quality.
Yes. And it's way, way, way better than the previous one.
Oh, you know that guy is a professional welder. or a mechanic.
No,
Something.
no way.
Yeah, he gets paid for that job.
Oh.
I'm going to try to weld this in a circle.
Oh, nice.
Look at this beauty. Look at it. I'm proud of myself.
Yeah?
Yeah. I'm really proud of myself. Now let's try to weld behind the corner.
It's a little stool.
Yeah.
Oh, what was that?
That was. I'm too lazy to clean it. Now I just want to weld everything.
Okay. Will you weld our furniture?
Yeah.
Because I saw furniture welded worse than this, so I think we have a good chance. Is this one firm enough? This
This one?
yeah. It doesn't go
I
anywhere.
just bend the metal a little bit
Okay then.
here because it's probably quite hot here.
Is this okay? Yeah, it's a little bended. They're not totally straight, but
No,
we didn't go for
they
that.
shouldn't be.
Ah,
They shouldn't be straight. They should actually be more like this.
oh,
Or like this, but more like this.
okay.
So I was not shooting for straight.
Okay,
I was shooting for...
firm.
Yeah.
Okay, well done.
Well, fuck me, we can weld now.
Yeah. Well done. I meant to say, well done. Not impressed, okay.
No, your jokes are great. I love them. I think we should clean a bit. And then see.
A bit.
Yeah, and then see where we're at.
It's a lot of dust. Here it is, the finished thing.
So, oh wow.
Oh, ooh,
Oh wow. It does not rock.
nice.
It really is a small table.
Ah, so cute.
Now
Look at this.
it has 4 different legs,
Yeah.
but it does not rock.
No. They're a bit crooked, but
No, that's stable.
yes, it's stable. So, but what is it exactly? I didn't tell.
This is going into concrete, and this is where the post for the fence is going to be. So we need to weld quite thick steel posts. That's why we chose the thickest wire, and maybe a little bit thinner wire would be okay here.
Okay. Yeah.
Like multiple passes would be nicer, but I think this is nice. For second time welding, I am pleased. Mostly because I could see what I was doing.
This looks like a piece of art.
Can you sell it?
I'm
So
sure you can.
So I can buy more the welding stuff.
Yeah.
Because now I want to weld everything.
Yes, you can make art with welding.
But this is not that bad in my opinion. I'm not a welder.
No.
And I don't have Instagram. But this is like, if you clean this from the, if you clean the protective slag, I think this could be quite nicely.
Yeah, it's shiny.
There's not many holes. See, no porosity here, no porosity here. This is the only hole I have. But I was feeling a gap here, so I'm giving myself a pass.
Yes.
So like after the third time welding in a circle, this is the third time. Look how nice and stacked they are.
Yes.
Also no porosity, and I didn't clean the metal all the way, and I did not clean all the small chunks of molted.
Oh well, it's all
iron.
recycled material, so.
But it's not important for this
Yeah,
because
yeah,
this
yeah.
is going into concrete.
Cool. What? Okay. Nice.
Do you want to try next time?
Yes, of course.
So we're welding the post together.
Outside.
Yeah, that will be outside.
Will be outside. I mean, I can try.
Okay.
You can do first steps and then I can.
Oh, I can take it and then you can weld it.
Finish it.
Okay. So, what do you think about how hard is welding?
It's not that hard. You just need to have your equipment, and after a couple of tries, you're good to go. This was a first try.
This was first, this was second.
Yeah.
This was third. I was going too fast here.
Yeah.
This was good, and this is the fourth.
Yeah, see?
So you just need to watch the paddle, what the paddle is doing, and this is the last
this one is nice.
I have the.
Oh, what was that?
That's a little hole because I accidentally melted through.
Ooh. Okay.
But we're not. Just watch this first part.
Yeah.
And I think if we had a place where we can keep a gas bottle, and if we could use smaller currents and smaller power, we could really fix our car.
Okay. So far I think it's easy, but next time I will try how it
Okay.
actually is. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.